Okay, so what we're doing today is we're gonna put lemongrass on our swarm catchers. And so what I do is I just take a little drop and I put it right here at the entrance. And if I was tall enough, I would put it on the inside on a little piece of cardboard. But over here, we should have a better example. And there's a little piece of cardboard right here. And then I just put a little dab right there and close it back up. And that's how you bait a swarm catcher.